Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to unhide hidden purchases on App Store. If you can find an app you downloaded before on your iPhone, it might be hidden. So here's how to unhide hidden purchases on the App Store. So method 1 is from hidden purchases list. So open the App Store, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, tap your name or Apple ID at the top, scroll down and tap hidden purchases. Find the app you want to unhide, then tap the unhide option. So just like that. And once you download it again, it will automatically be unhidden and show up in your purchases list. So again, tap on unhide to unhide the app. And just like that. Now for the second method, search the app directly. So let's go back. Now tap the search bar, type the app's name, open it, then tap the cloud button or icon. This also unhides the app automatically after reinstalling. So you can't manually unhide without downloading. Apple only reveals it again after reinstalling. And hidden apps are just removed from your purchase history view, not deleted forever. And that's how you can unhide hidden purchases on your iPhone. Quick, simple, and you're done in a minute. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.